Coming in a freshman year, I did not know who I was or what I was even gonna do in my life. I felt alone. I didn't think I had anyone. It was a very, very hard time. I remember talking to my counselor, at the time it was Miss Jones, and I was like, I can't do this anymore. I don't know what to do. I feel lost. And when I tell you, within the next period, I was pulled out of my class, and in the room was Mr. Kelly, Coach Blanton. You two really stepped up for me and having that conversation with me, just let me be honest. And I was scared to be honest. That's when I started embracing who I was. I'm telling you, if it wasn't for going in the office over there and having that conversation, life would be a lot different for me.
Do you know who Nigel Burton is?
Yeah.
Okay, so he was inducted into our Hall of Fame, and in his induction speech, he said, Jesuit High School taught him to be comfortable standing out from the crowd, right? And that was one of the best lessons that he learned here. And I feel like that was kind of like, you're saying it in your own words, right? Like your experiences here is like, told you to be comfortable in your own skin, and you standing out from the crowd is a really good thing.
Freshman year, it was definitely hard for my family and for myself, trying to figure out how we're gonna, pay for my school. Financial aid came up, and when I tell you, I was extremely blessed and extremely happy to hear about that. I remember during my sophomore year, I wasn't sure if I was gonna even be able to come back to school. Just a lot going on, and we weren't sure how we were gonna figure it out and make it work until we started talking, and the school started communicating with us, and we got a huge help and huge donation for my schooling, which allowed my family and I to continue at Jesuit. Being at this opportunity at Jesuit is a blessing. I mean that from the very bottom of my heart.
You're on your toes, man.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, there it is, come on. Go! Come on, yes, tighter. Good, good, good. Yep. Because there's so many things going on, but knowing that, there are ways to get better, and you can't lose yourself in that process. He has a spirit, and he just wanted that echo,
Yeah, to be seen.
How
you too, man. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate it. I could not have done it without you.
I'm proud of you, man.
Thank you. I think the brotherhood at Jesuit just goes beyond your typical friendship, and these are people who are going to be in your life forever. And ultimately, brotherhood is on Jesuit High School is your family. Brotherhood means family. Now I'm probably in the best shape of my life, running cross country, preparing for the next level, and have you there like an older brother, it definitely feels great, and I appreciate everything, 100%. And that Jesuit show that they do care made me feel amazing. It turned me from a kid with no hope to a kid who aspires to change the world and will change the world.